Take shoulder measurement. Kinahanglan ilocate ang kanang edge sa shoulder. Kanang tumoy-tumoy jud. And then measure from that area over the nape ta. From there. Over the nape and then across sa pikas nga side. So from there to there. Edge to edge over the nape. And next, mukha ka sa armhole. Ang armhole measurement na niya, yan na ninyo. Comfortable. Average na niya is 20. So i-check ninyo for men's if 20 is comfortable. Kung hot pang 20, dugangan ninyo. Ay, dili lang siya ipalapa og 23. Okay? So next is sleeve length. Standardized na itong sleeve length for the uniform. 9 inches na itong sleeve, 8 to 9. So, yan na lang yun na siya. Then for your bicep, kinahanglan siya, upper arm na siya, around. Okay? So, better mo flex mo sa inyong arm para mo dako ang muscle diri, then iparelax yung arm. After ana, yung i-check kung comfortable ra ba ang allowance niya. Importante kayo nga ang measurement tape needs to be parallel to the floor. So, ana ta diri, from there, ana. Okay? So, parallel to dili ana. Kaya kung ana, na yung tendency nga mahuot ang shirt kaya magamay measurement. Kinahanglan sa upper back, give siya parallel to the floor. Next is waistline. Locate the deepest part of the back. Okay? Then measure around to the front. Ano? That is your waistline. So kung ay buyon, over the buyon lang siya. Pero dili siya pwede nga isa ka or naog. Basta ang basihan ninyo ana deepest part of the back. Line na punta. Locate ang highest point of the butt. Highest point. Ang pinakadako ng area sa lubot kana. Okay? Then measure that parallel to the floor gihapon ana. Okay? Kung naay buyon, importante ana na siya. Upper part of the butt, dayon pasaka na taan na. Pasaka tagamay, covering the underbelly. So musaka gamay measurements, kinahanglan tabunan or maapilog kuha ang under part of the belly for the hips measurement. Kaya kung dili ni siya pa, kung inyo ning puhot-on, na tendency nga muhuot ang sa tiyan. Okay? So under figure, there are two measurements for the figure. So locate where the shoulder meets the neck. Very important. Shoulder meets the neck, going down ta sa deepest part of the back. Itong arch dyan niya. Normally, average sa men's is 20 inches. Okay, muna yung figure 1. Figure 2, shoulder to hips. So from here, down to the highest point of the butt. That is your figure 2. Okay? We need this measurement across back. So ipangitaan na nyo na siya ang upper part of the back ha. Where the back meets the arms or the armpit. Ana. So ana na ninyo na siya. Across ra gyud na siya. Dili na ninyo isulod sa ilukan. Dili na ninyo ipasok dira. Ana siya. Across lang gyud na siya. Across. That is your across back. Across chest, so locate the area sa upper chest where the shoulder meets the armpits, where the chest meets the armpit. Punin ninyo across ana. Dili isulod dira across ra jud. So this will all basihan mo guni siya sa armhole nato from the front sa pattern. Okay, ana lang. Pants measurement. Pangita ang location ninyo sa inyong pants kung asa mo komportable, like sa paha. Kung asa inyong paha, muna itong basihan. So, importante na siya. So, measure around your paha. Kung asa mo komportable. And then, muna yung pants waist. That's your pants waist. Kung asa yung paha. Okay? Around the highest point of the butt. Ano na siya? Notice, wala na kayo allowance 3 sa front. Pag butangin niyo siya yung kanang ana. insert one hand para natin comfortable allowance. Measure around the upper part of the thigh, kana. Okay? So that is your thigh part of the pants. Put also mga 2 fingers dali siya para that is for your allowance. Your pants length, kung asa inyong paha, going down to your ankle. That is your pants length. Okay? Location of crotch depth. So, pangitaon ninyo ang paha dito sa front ninyo and paha sa back. Okay? Then, measure from there, paha, front, down, crotch, paha, back. That is your crotch depth.